Hello romantic family, welcome back. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I cannot wait to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree craft projects. So you guys know I love to get my home boutique gorgeous on a budget, and I love the Dollar Tree. I love taking items from the Dollar Tree and transforming them into beautiful gorgeous items that look like they would come in a boutique. You would never know. So you guys, without further ado, let's get to crafting. For the first Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create this beautiful blinged out craft storage box. So you're going to need a craft storage box, some E6000 glue, and some of that adhesive trim that you can find at Dollar Tree. I'm going to bling out each side of this box, and that way I can still see through and see what my craft supplies are. So I'm going to add some E6000 glue and then glue down a strip of that bling trim and then trim it off at the end. I'm going to do this to each side. There's a little bump in the middle of this box, so I'm just going to do it to either side, on either side of the bump, and then I'm also going to trim out above the bump. I hope that makes sense. So I'm just going to trim that off and then E6000 glue that extra little strip to kind of connect it. Again, I do want to be able to see through this craft storage box. And then on the edge, I'm going to add some bling, and I do end up blinging out the very center of the adhesive trim as well. So for this storage box, I did want to add a little bit more jewels. I get my jewels in a big giant package full at Michael's. They end up being about $6 when I use my 50% off coupon. And of course you guys can get as creative and as blingy with this project as you want. I love to add some extra sparkle and glam. As you all can tell, I have a blinged out hot glue gun, and I do love my sparkles, so I felt like this was a really fun and easy way to just give my crafty storage box that extra sparkle and shine that I love. So I hope you guys are loving this. Comment and let me know if you guys bling out your craft supplies as well. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take this cute little clothespin that I had painted pink with some pink craft paint, and I'm going to add a little bit of E6000 glue to the top of it. Then I'm going to take some of that pinkish purpley bling adhesive trim that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I cut it into this small strip and I'm just gluing it on. And then of course I had to get a little extra and add some pearls to the end of my clothespin. I love using these for craft storage supplies and also for on top of your office desk to add a cute little kind of just a fabulous decor. And I made this cute little glam heart with some glam sparkling letters that I found at Michael's too. For the next GLAM DIY, I want to share with you guys how I bling out my hot glue gun. So a lot of you guys have commented and asked me if I bling this out myself. Yes, I did. You just want to get a hot glue gun. The original one that you see in all my DIYs is from Walmart. But you're going to take a glue gun and you're going to add some E6000 glue. I suggest to work in small sections and add that E6000 glue, a thin layer of it, and then add your jewels. I also suggest to use a cheap, inexpensive pair of tweezers. I'm using these that I found at the Dollar Tree, and use that to kind of attach the jewels. It makes it a little bit easier. Also, be careful that you're not going to glue over the more important parts and components of your glue gun if you're going to use this. And don't use this glue gun if you're doing any heavy duty crafting. This is more for show and fun. It also makes a great gift for that favorite crafter in your life. It turns out so cute and so absolutely sparkling. I did find this pink glue gun at Michael's. I used my 50% off coupon and it was very inexpensive. It's not the best glue gun, so this is definitely just going to be for show. I love the one that I get from Walmart. I think it's about $2.50. I use a low temp mini glue gun. But just go to town, have fun blinging out your glue gun. It just gives that crafting session that extra sparkle and shine. And you guys have commented on mine so many times. I had to share this with you. I've had so many requests to share with you guys how I do this glue gun, so here it is. I hope you're loving it. Comment and let me know what you think. Super fancy, super fun, and of course you can get creative with the colors of jewels even. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, we are going to bling out this cute little storage container. So I love buying these storage containers, and we're going to add some E6000 glue all along the edges, and then we're going to take that adhesive blingy GLAM adhesive strip. It does come with adhesion on the back, but I really want this to stay, so that's why I'm using this E6000 glue. And we're going to use the adhesive strip down each side and then on each end. And also I did end up adding some silver wrapping paper to the bottom of this. I love to store my scissors and crafty projects. And then on each end I couldn't resist going a little bit extra and a little bit over the top with some more jewels. I absolutely love how this little project turned out. This would also make great storage containers if you were doing some special organizing projects. But look how cute my blinged out craft supplies look in this blinged out container. You guys, this is just gonna make me smile every time I open my crafting drawer. And how inexpensive and easy is this? For the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to take some very inexpensive scissors and we are going to glam them up. Now, for this project, I'm also using the E6000 glue again, and then I'm using these flat back pearls that I found at Michael's in a big giant container. And you guys can also find bling adhesive at the Dollar Tree. I have seen these pearls before. I get the big package at Michael's though because you get more bang for your buck, and I like to use a ton of glammy jewels in my projects, so I like to have a big giant thing full on hand. So basically I started with the bottom part of the handles of these scissors. I'm only doing one side of them, and we'll see how they last. I'll let you guys know. I've actually never blinged out my scissors before, but I bling out my glue gun. It's worked just fine for my smaller crafting projects, so I thought, why not? Maybe it will help me find these scissors, and maybe everybody won't be stealing this pair because they'll know they're my crafting scissors. I don't know. You guys comment and let me know which one of these projects you want to try and which one is your favorite. But look at how cute these scissors look, the pale blue with the iridescent pearls. There's really no rhyme or reason either how I put these pearls on. I just thought they looked beautiful, and I kind of grabbed whichever ones I could that weren't sticking to my fingers. Oh my goodness, how adorable did these come out? I am loving these. These make my heart sparkle and shine. Oh my goodness, these glam supplies, you guys have to try some of these. They're so pretty and just a great way to bling out your special craft supplies. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, we are going to bling out this spatula. So I am just going to take and I'm going to run a strip of E6000 glue down the entire handle of the spatula. And then I want to take some of that Dollar Tree. It's kind of a pinkish purple blinged out trim, and I'm just going to add that. And then of course I had to get a little bit extra and add some pearls. I wanted the pearls to kind of match my blinged out scissors. The reason I have this spatula in my crafting supplies is because I use it to press down the hot glue. That's a little tip or trick I have for you guys if you guys are using a heavy duty hot glue project. So look at how cute this looks. I absolutely love it. It will definitely help me also hopefully not lose these crafting supplies nearly as much. You guys, I am so in love with these. I think they look so adorable and so glam, so beautiful. Just a great way if you're a crazy crafter like me to kind of bring a smile to your face. And definitely I will not be losing these crafting supplies, hopefully. So thank you all so much for joining me in this video. I love you all so much. You guys mean the world to me. You all make my heart sparkle and shine with all of your kind comments. It really and truly means the world to me, and it really keeps me going on this YouTube journey. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.